the deep throw. And returns the lovely swing down the middle by Anthony. Nice jump well on Costas. And the swing goes just out. About like two big beak hands out, I would say. Northumbria are now 8-all with UOB. Lovely serve. Put it away. It's okay. Because Northumbria will make use of the opponent. One support. Northumbria now taking the lead in the second set. Costas with the rip line. The win back is straight down. 9-all. Getting ready for the rip ahead. Isaac, back set. Go over this now. The wrist. Just take yourself a little bit off course from the lovely push line to the set point. And we have Terry. Next point to side switch. Set. All the way into the high line. And we'll switch sides here. 11-10. It's in the middle, picked up by Evan. Big swing, picked up by Costas. Over the block, into the line. Just about all clear, and then the back. One hand received by Costas. another side switch here. 14-14. Very close game here on center court. Both teams looking to take this set, even for the win, or another chance. Get into the next part of the qualifiers. It's a lovely recycle by UOB, sorting it off the block. Put into the cut. Cosmos is there. He's not able. Option ball. Going on there aggressively. Not quite finding the right ball. 400 boys finally into the DJ here, enjoying the tunes. Just giving the Northumbria boys enough fuel to serve in that race. Option ball. Pushed a bit too far to him there. Northumbria now. And that's going to be tea time here for UOB. UOB now right there, bring themselves together, find their way back into this game. Still serving absolute dimes. So it's going up. Rips it into the cross and then puts it up. And he can't. Last on the attack back onto UOB here. We've got 6 minutes inside switch here. UOB will find their way to the outside. Just trying to figure out the side here in this match. It's a great thing down the line, crosses with the shoulder dig. To get it back in. Again, pause there, people, pause there. Hold on one moment.
Stand up, stand up. Now everybody clap your hands.